Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and today I am here with Nasser, my son, and we are just trying to get back in the swing of things with work. I've been trying to crochet more, and he's been keeping me very busy. Yes, you have a lot to say. I know. He's really wiggly, and he's growing so much. You're growing so much. I'm talking baby talk constantly. Look at the world. Say hi, everyone. His little binky is so cute. There he is. Hey, there he is. He's getting so chunky and cute, and I just want to squeeze all of his rolls. But yeah, he's 6 weeks. He's going on 7 weeks. Tomorrow actually is 7 weeks. And yeah, we're just hanging out at home right now, but I wanted to share some good news with the would-be fancy crochet hooks right now. They are on sale, so make sure that you get your crochet hooks. It's actually a sale because there was a very scary storm that hit central Wisconsin where my parents live, and a lot of you know my dad is the one who creates these crochet hooks from Would Be Fancy. So if you haven't shopped on his Etsy shop yet, make sure to check it out and see the fabulous crochet hooks. I actually have one right here. These crochet hooks are ergonomic, hand-carved wooden handles, and you can choose the hook size that you like, and then he'll make the crochet handle for you out of the wood. And so there was a lot of trees down in their area from the horrible storm that had gone through their city, and so he grabbed a bunch of wood and created a bunch of crochet hooks from the storm wood. So he added a bunch to his new shop, or on his shop, new hooks on his shop, so you can shop Would Be Fancy and get some crochet hooks. But yeah, the storms can be pretty intense and scary, and it was devastating in their city. So make sure to send out good vibes to all those in central Wisconsin and those who are dealing with the devastation all around our country. It's crazy. So I wanted to share that. We're just going day by day, growing and getting to know each other more and more, and Nasser is starting to make eye contact, and he's smiling more, and he's just really excelling in all of his mile markers, which is really cool. So he's a good boy. And he's really calm. He's really quiet, and that's good. And he's always hungry. That's a big thing. You're always hungry, aren't you? Yes. So he's like gripping on his blanket right now. This blanket is the Wiggles and Giggles crochet blanket I have on YARNutopia.com. I'll put the link in the description of this video if you want to make this blanket. He loves it. It's one of his favorites. Actually, it's my favorite, and I just make him use it. But yeah, he's enjoying things. Right now, I still have the corner to corner project because it's been very hard for me to focus on my crochet because all I want to do is just be focused on Nasser. So I hard to finish that project, but it's taking me a while, but I will finish, and I will share a tutorial on that very soon. And I have actually a couple of hat projects. I absolutely love to make slouchy hats, and I have a really cool slouchy hat idea in the works right now, and then another baby hat, but it's not for my son, it's not for a boy, it's a girl baby hat for my niece who is 6 months old. So we are really excited about her growing too. So I wanted to make a little hat for her with bows and sparkly yarn, you know, try to do that. So that's really all that's going on over here. I just wanted to share with you that sale that's going on because everybody always messages me, comments to me, is there a sale going on? There was just a fly that just zoomed right by here. Oh my goodness. My cats will have to be catching a fly very soon. They're napping right now, and he's about to go down for a nap too. which means I should probably nap. Anyway, yeah, we are doing really well. I just wanted to see how you guys are doing. You know, leave me comments. I say that every week, so leave me a comment what you're working on. And I'm hoping to get a blog post out soon about, you know, asking what's in your yarn bag. So let me know what's in your yarn bag and what you're working on right now. And if you have a work in progress, a WIP going, let me know what you're working on. So that's all I really wanted to do today, is check in with everyone. And now he's falling asleep, so I'm gonna put him down and get some work done and probably fall asleep myself. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Until next time, happy hooking!